Getting money from your bank into your Cash App is the first step to paying friends or buying things instantly. First, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner of the Cash App home screen to access your account settings. Scroll down and select Linked Banks. This is where you'll manage all your connected payment methods. Now tap Link Bank, and when prompted, choose Debit Card as your method to link a new funding source. Carefully type in your debit card number, expiration date, and CVV code exactly as they appear on your card then. Enter your billing zip code. Cash App will now verify your card. Once confirmed, you'll see a success message, and your debit card will appear as a linked bank. Return to the home screen and tap the Banking tab, which looks like a bank building or a $sign icon. To transfer money from your debit card to your Cash App balance, tap Add Cash. Enter the exact amount you want to transfer from your bank account to your Cash App. Double-check the number to avoid errors. Review the transfer details and tap Add one final time to confirm the funds will be instantly transferred from your debit card to your Cash App balance. And that's it, your money is now securely in your Cash App, ready to use for payments, investments, or withdrawals.